All right, so we're going to dive into part 1 of chapter 2, lesson 2, early exploration. Building off lesson 1, where we learned about the different advancements and the reasons why they explored. We're going to kind of look at these questions. So, why do people trade? Which country took the lead in finding a trade route to India? And how did Spain and Portugal protect their claims in the Americas? So a few vocab words. Cape, this is a point of land that sticks out in the water. Circumnavigate, this means to travel completely around something, or for example, to circumnavigate around the whole world. Devote, to commit oneself or one's resource to something. To alter or change. So we're going to look at, why do you think people explored? So here are some of the reasons why they explored the New World specifically, or America. Expedition, to find new trade routes. Economy, they wanted to make money and trade goods. Political, governments were competing to be better and stronger than the others. Technology, we talked about in lesson 1 some of the technology that made exploring easier and more possible for the Europeans. Some goals of exploration. Gold, they wanted money, they wanted gold. They thought that in America there was gold. They wanted God, or they did it for God. They were religious, or they had different reasons as far as religion on what they wanted to spread throughout America in different beliefs. And then also glory. They wanted to be stronger and more powerful than other countries. So South Africa is the southern part of Africa here. And there's something called the Cape of Good Hope. So we will see that here. So cape was one of our vocab words that sticks out from the water. So as you can see, there's a Cape Peninsula right here. And this was a mark that the explorers used to, basically come down. And once they saw the Cape, they knew they had to start heading east to get around Africa's tip, or the Cape of Good Hope. So the search for new trade routes. Portugal was the country that took charge in finding new trade routes, and basically took the lead in exploring these routes to Asia. So we're going to look at some of the different explorers that were basically one of the first explorers to ever accomplish something for their countries. So we got Bartolome Diaz, Vasco da Gama, Pedro Alvarez Cabral, Christopher Columbus, you guys probably have heard of him, Ferdinand Magellan, and then also Leif Erikson. So we're going to break down each explorer. You guys are going to write in some of the stuff from these different cards that are going to be in your research, or your research cards that you'll be filling out throughout the chapter. So circle the correct person. Christopher Columbus. We are looking at this guy right here, Will Ferrell. Oops, just kidding. Christopher Columbus is this guy right here. So, someone that came before all the explorers was this Viking named Leif Erikson. So, around 1000 AD, Leif Erikson was one of the first explorers to explore the tip of North America, or Canada in this region here. So he is known as kind of the first person who navigated and explored North America back in the day. And he was from Iceland. Again, he was a Viking. If you look at the picture, you can kind of see he looks like one. But yeah, he was from Iceland, and basically was the first explorer to explore North America. And this is in present day Canada. Moving on.